Then we will make a component. It is 15 centimeters square. Write 15, 15. Zoom in and select it all. Then we will make it a component with Alt G and name it Window Open 3D. Click Create. Now this component definition is Window Open 3D. We will copy it like this and take a second copy. We will make this copy a different component. So choose Make Unique and change its definition from here. Door Open 3D. This copy also we will make it different. Right click and choose Make Unique. Then from here name it Wall 3D. As well we will turn on Floor Plans tag. Move these components out the drawings. We will start with placing window component. Copy it with Ctrl C. Then on each window press Ctrl V to paste it on a corner point and adjust the width. Then paste another one here. And repeat this method for all Windows openings. Then we will copy door opening component. Ctrl C to copy it and paste it on all doors openings and stretch it. Then copy wall component, copy it, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and stretch the wall component with Scale tool. Stop this wall on this point, then paste another one here. If we want to scale this component without save its proportions, grab and hold Shift and change the shape. Then make this wall, or may stretch this wall to here. Then paste another one here, stretch to the end. Then another one, put it on this point, stretch it again to the end. The next one, adjust its length. And stretch it to here. Then this wall. The video will be speed in this part. So all the walls has a wall component. Here these doors don't have components. Hide the wall component, press D. They don't have components. Ctrl Z to back. Then I will copy the door component. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, paste it here and adjust the scale, holding Shift. Same thing for the garage door. This wall needs a component. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Stretch it. This is a planter wall, so it's not required now. Same thing for these planters walls. Turn on the sketch tag to see measures of each window. And for viewing this sketch with a good resolution, to see the text, go to Preferences with Alt B, then choose OpenGL and click on Use Maximum Size and click Yes. So the text is clear. Under each window written, this measure for base height of the window and this for the window height itself. You can note that total of two measures is 260 centimeters. So we will push up all openings 260 centimeters. Then we will edit windows height later, cause most windows nearly have this height. As long as we will open the window component, then push up 260 centimeters, exit the component with Escape, then the doors will be 240 centimeters, push it up 240 centimeters. If any door is different, we will edit it later. After that, the walls, push it down 50 centimeters, 50. To see the result, turn on X-ray style so we can see the wall's depth, like this. Write 50 and turn off X-ray style to accurate that face is closed. Then push up the walls 311 centimeters. Now we are ready to create all openings.